Tiffany. I just want to introduce you today to this small store and clip pot. So like all the store and clip pots, it's going to come flat. You'll find on the inside of it this little insert piece. You're just going to stuff that down in there. That's going to give your pot its shape. It does have the band all the way around. It comes with one clip, so you can clip the pods together. Additional clips are available, so if you want to have more than one clip, you can certainly do that by adding those extra clips. This little guy is 6.5 by 5 by 1 3/4 wide. Perfect place to store all kinds of goodies, whether it's craft supplies, office supplies, etc. There is a one divider section in there that will fold flat if you want to use it without being divided, or it'll hook with that hook and loop to give you that divided section on the inside. So let's take a look at a couple of options here. Here it is. This one's just loaded with paint brushes and foam brushes. Give you kind of an idea of what that looks like and how it works. Great for tool storage as well. Things like this that kind of catch on everything. Perfect to go inside there and they don't get caught on anything. They're not pokey. Different, another pokey tool, water brushes, scissors, all of those kinds of goodies are going to fit perfectly in here. Now remember that these guys can hook together if you want to use multiples of them. Oh, I see this one I used with some office supplies there on the front. I'm going to clip these two together here. So you can clip, you don't have to use the whole sets together. You can buy individual components to really build out the set exactly the way that you want it and then clip those pieces together. So just, you know, one of the great things about this product line is how versatile it is and the fact that you can mix and match all of the pieces across the line. So the small store and clip pod, 6.5 by 5 by 1 3/4 wide. Again, it's going to come with that one clip, and it does have this single divider piece in the inside. Thanks for watching.